Salt package. What the? Oh, Michelle. We got the Pitbull. Yo, what's good, YouTube? We're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna try out the best roasted fried chicken in Hong Kong. Some of you guys may know this place. It's a very, very popular spot for everybody to eat at night. Low key, last time I tried this was like 2 years ago. I'm hoping the quality of the roasted chicken, or is it fried? I'm gonna do some research about it. If it's still as good as it was 2 years ago. We're gonna watch Vishal's final. It's gonna be like a mixed vlog with basketball game and some eats. And today we're gonna review fried chicken at the secret spot. Yo, we made it into the sports center. We were the guys in the back. They're all camera shy. So here's a ticket. It's gonna be HKBA Pitbull Bulls playing with some, should be a local team. Oh, what's the final score prediction?
45 to 35. HKBA.
HKBA. Who's gonna win tonight? Oh.
No, Pitbull's win.
Pitbull. Yo, Mr. B arrived too. Yes, what's the prediction tonight?
I think Vish gonna drop 20.
Vishal, you better drop 20.
I trust in my boy.
Bruh, it's lit right now over here. Full house. But the game haven't started yet. So we're in Southern Stadium. And bruh, these two are playing video games. Nah, bruh. What the? Yo, the game about to start right now. After 40 minutes, what time is it? 7:37. The game's about to start. All right.
It's like a fierce slasher.
Yo, third quarter just finished. Pretty intense game. Let's hope for a buzzer beater. Let's hope for a great game. The vibes are getting lit right now. Somebody just got posterized. Let me film the whole game from now on. Oh, Vishal. Uh-oh, they're nervous. Other team is nervous. Big three. Oh, with the gun. What's your thoughts about the game so far?
Finally.
That dunk, bro.
Yeah, finally woke up.
Wait, that's foul, no one? Oh. As you can see, the vibes are fucking high right now, both sides. Everyone's going lit. The guy's getting mad in front. Bro, oh,
Curry's out.
game's done. Steph Curry out, game's done. Euro Steph. Oh, the Royals are kicking in. The Royals are kicking in. Oh, uh-oh, Thanos is back. And 12 come in. Whoa! That's the heart right there! The vibes are lit. man. We don't need B-roll. We're putting the whole thing in. We're not even doing food review today. Vibes are high. I don't know if I got footage. Oh, foul. Oh, that's a bad foul. Current score 52-48. Oh, we got a ball game, boys. We got a ball game. Timeout. What a big shot! It was ready. That's his first point of the day. It's a close game, boys. We need it. He got 3 free throws. Right now he hit all 3. Why is it like that, bro? Why is it like that? Okay.
So they get the ball.
Uh-oh. Now running 3. Uh-oh.
Vishal's got to hit it.
Vishal, yeah, fucking me. Wow. You can throw to the sky, fuck it. Yo, game just done. So now we're really heading to the restaurant for the review. We're gonna try the crispy chicken at Roast Kitchen. They say it's one of the best roast chicken spot in Hong Kong. So I'm gonna check it out. Bro, I'm super hungry, man. Gonna go try this crispy chicken. It's half a chicken with a drink, $90. Pretty late right now. That was a great game just now. Good. The dunk saved the game. The dunk and the sort of trash talk.
When was the dunk? Third quarter, right?
Fourth quarter. Crispy roasted spring chicken. They say it's best in Hong Kong. Let's see if it's actually the best. We got a room just for us. So everyone ordered roasted chicken. Even some of them can't eat. Me. As you can see, Uncle, if you guys are watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then give an ass whooping afterwards. Private room. Okay, waiting for the food. Yeah. Chicken came through. Spaghetti? Damn, we got spaghetti and fries. Alright. Got a bowl of rice and a half chicken. Smells good or what? Damn, it's watery and juicy over here. Good to mix with the rice. Let me make a sauce, some sriracha. Maybe outside. Sriracha. Okay, let's try it out. Ooh, it's pretty hot. Try the wings first. It's very juicy. A lot of juice in the plate. Very crispy also. Oily skin. We need a little salt for this. Super big chicken, whole ass chicken. Let's taste the crispiness on this. Getting a little bit of salt. So let's break this whole chicken into half. Damn, inside a lot of juice in this chicken. Super hot. Got a whole chicken leg. Okay, I got 2 salts. Chili salt and salt. Chili sauce and salt. Very, very juicy chicken. Ooh. They made it good today. But not much flavor inside. A little kid. Inside the meat. The skin is very crispy, very oily. Just right amount of oily goodness. But inside the meat, you need to add a little salt and sauce while eating this. You're gonna fuck it up. A fight is coming. MVP's here. Get some rice. Some chicken. What we like to do is a little bit of chicken skin. We got the MVP here telling him about his game. Before that. That's the best part. No, he got dunked on. Respect. The guy got dunked on. He's a clip. If you watch the vlog, sorry bro, but hey.
He had the easiest layup, and then he started doing everything.
人哋同我講話咩23號是LeBron James，我一啲都唔當嘅。印度 LeBron， 有哈倫有 LeBron， 你啱啱係咪？
We got the Pitbull LeBron over here, number 23.
Just LeBron James.
Defense was okay.
Best. Good rebound. A lot of rebound in the end. Gotta make another chicken sushi. Before we finish this review for this roasted chicken, we're gonna do a big ass sushi. We're gonna put some chicken meat with rice, wrap it around the skin. God damn. We got chicken sushi. The best bite of this roast chicken. Super oily, super juicy. The skin here, 10 out of 10. If you guys come here, try to make this sushi. Don't forget to get gloves. Put some rice and chicken meat inside the chicken skin and just chicken skin top notch. Chicken juicy as well. Need a little salt, but they got a whole salt pack here. What the? Some salt. Oh, we got a salty floor. Alright guys, just finished trying the roasted chicken. Chicken's like 8 out of 10. Very juicy, very crispy, very fulfilling also. It's $88. Comes without a drink, just a rice and a half chicken. If you want to add a drink, it's like $10. So if you're gonna go there, you gotta spend $100. Just search Roast Kitchen on your phone, and yep, it's in one shot. Definitely check that place out. Now we're gonna go and get some dessert after the meal, and we're gonna also review the dessert. Even though Vishal didn't win today, but he played very good defense. Everyone's making fun of Vishal because his shirt, it says winner stays, but he lost today. What do you guys say about that?
I left though.
What you mean you left?
I didn't stay because I lost. I left.
Fair enough. Respect. Yo, we made it to the dessert shop. Here's all the menu they got. Looking good. I'm gonna choose what am I gonna get. What's up? What are you about to get? Thinking? I'm gonna ask the owner, and I'm gonna get that for the dessert. Check out the menu. And then we got In Love with Italy. Alright, and then we got this one. Grass jelly, panna cotta, red bean and ice cream. In Love with Italy. Check it out. We got a whole ice cream. Very, very sweet. Very good on a summer day. Cookie ice cream also. Yeah. Michelle, this place good. Valid, this place valid.
This place, right?
Yeah, bro. This is the panna cotta inside. Get this. Oh, the panna cotta trash. Nah, no taste. This one, no taste. But the ice cream and the red beans and the ice, perfect. I choose the nice dessert here. 9 out of 10 for this one. After the fried chicken, definitely need to eat this afterward. Almost ate half of it. 9.5 out of 10. Normally I wouldn't like Hong Kong desserts, but this dessert, bro, I would definitely come back here and try it again. Everything is good besides this should be the panna cotta. It's a little bit bland, but everything else super sweet. Top tier. No cap. Yo, YouTube, just finished with that dessert. Bro, highly recommend check that place out. Vishal brought us, oh, where's Vishal? Vishal brought us to that location. So definitely check that place out. It's near Southern. I'll put the dessert shop name in the description. That dessert I ate was a 9.5 out of 10. I hope you guys like this video. I really enjoyed today. Today was very nice. Basketball match. It was pretty intense at one part of the game. And good eats. That chicken was very, very good. Very crispy, very juicy. But the dessert was the highlight today. That dessert shop. Highly recommend every single one of you to go and check this out. And yeah, see you guys in the next vid. If you know the vibes, like and subscribe. Peace.